HustleDreamProduction.
YouTube, listen, all right, I need to wash my hair. Hair is getting a little dirty. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me put the light on it. Let me put that light on it there. Hair is getting a little dirty here, all right? So I'm about to take it home. I'm about to wash my hair, but I'm done here, okay? I'm done for the day. It's over. It's a wrap, okay? I'm going home, okay? And I will not be back here, okay? I'm at this very moment. My client is in the chair, okay? He is in the chair right now. I'm going home, okay? Alright, YouTube, we are back, alright? YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Today in this video, I'm about to just do my hair, alright? My hair is dirty. I need a wash, alright? I've been at the shop cutting all day. Hard work, dedication, motivation, consistency, the will to keep going when the going gets tough and the tough gets going, you go, alright? Even though I cut 20 people hair and I'm done with that, I still gotta come home and do my hair, okay? Alright, the consistency still has to reside in this right here, alright? Brush work, okay? Listen, in this video, I'm just gonna wash my hair, show you how I do it, show you how it's done. Not gonna do too much talking, okay? Alright? I'm not gonna do too much talking at all. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Stay tuned. my hair, all right? This is it. This is what it looks like, okay? All right? And if somebody asks me, you know what I mean? Jeezy, you do this method every time you wash your hair? I'm gonna say, to this day. Back then, I did it, and to this day, okay? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. You know what? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Right now, I'm going live on BC Brush Connections, all right? Brush Connections stand up right now. The link to Brush Connections will definitely be in the description, okay, below. Make sure you follow that. Wave group has a lot of people on there showing love, showing, you know, giving tips, all that, man. So shout out BC. I'm going live as y'all see me go live. I'm live as I'm going live, live in it as I'm recording live here to you now. It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Cheat. Alright, YouTube, this is how I wash my hair. Alright, this is the difference between when it, you know, when the video